Those winter circles, we're going to do this. Say hi to your friends and family at home on the East Coast, right?
Hey everybody, love y'all.
What a day for you, what a weekend, #1 qualifier. You had the best motorcycle, you felt like all weekend. And then the semis came around. John Hall made that run to go lane choice in the final rounds there. What did humanity find between the semis and finals? That thing was rocking last night.
Yeah, you know, we really had, I felt like we had...
Andre's right there, look at it. He's right here by the girl in the blue.
We knew we had, we didn't go back to the changes, so we knew we had a buy, and we kind of took the swing and seen that we thought was the ball. We proved to be right in the 681, so I probably knew I had a horse when I came up here for the first these challenges. But you know, I love John to death. I consider him a personal friend, but I owe him from Bristol, and I owe the NHRA team from yesterday. They won the battle, but we won the road.
Once that first win came, it would open the floodgates. This was not to say that you're going to want to gauge type of run from last year. I think that the bikes are too close now for a run like that. But that it would just become easier. Take some pressure off of you on Sunday mornings. You know you can do it. You've proved it to the world now. Do you feel like that's the case now that you're home number 2?
Absolutely. You know, I've been to 4 out of the last 5 finals. Richmond had a really good night too. Lost to you last week now, or wrestling with the 5 big finals. And you know, our confidence is up. I feel good. I'm comfortable in the bike.
Crossed my mind too.
From last year, so I know I got a horse behind me. If I could just stay in the field, I'm going to way more than I do. I'm more than numbers. You know, you can't really come out here thinking and win. But you know, because you got Gabe, you got Matt, you got everybody else out there too. But I'm one of those guys now too. So.
Yeah.